Hi everyone. Thanks for joining me on this bonus video. It is a birthday giveaway. I really do enjoy giving stuff away for my birthday, so this is what we're doing. So enter a chance to win this fall journal. Fall is my favorite, one of my favorite holiday seasons because the weather isn't too cold, it's not too hot. Sometimes it's just nice weather. It's when pumpkin flavoring stuff comes out, which yum. And so yeah, but I decided to give you guys a fall journal to enter into a chance to win. Okay, so stay till the end and I will let you know what you need to do to enter. We have these fun little fall cards, and most of the paper in here, I believe, is from the TaylorMade journals, but I will put the link down below for it to double check, you know. So. Fun little ruffle with a fun sewing pattern on there. And then on here, I just put a tiny little dangle. Nothing much. Very cute. Sometimes they don't need a whole lot. And this literally has a lot of writing space. You can add photos. You can embellish it more. This opens up. There's a card, a couple journal card in there. And this has a fun little flower on the side paper clip. This is just a little oversized cluster that I made into a little pocket for a cute little tag. This little postcard. And of course, I had to put some recipe pages in here because it just screamed. Here's a little fun fabric flip. And I love these because you can put a really huge journal card in here. How fun is that? This is actually scrapbook paper, so I don't know. I made this a year ago, or maybe 2 years ago. I don't know. But anyhow. Here is my center, and I have two fun dangles on here. One that says family, and one with an acorn. Here are two. Here's the other side, big, huge fall tag. And this is a little corner pocket. Okay. Fun little tags. I love these birds, they're so adorable. Just a little dangle. This is a edge with two pockets and some tags in there. Pretty easy to make, cute, fun. Another little dangle. Here we go, some two big tags. And the size of this journal is a little over 8.5 by almost 5, a little over 5.5. So what you need to do to enter this. down below in the front one, you have to be a subscriber. 2, like the video. 3, I'm going to do it from the comments below. So honestly, if you don't like the video, you'll still be entered, but I would appreciate the like. The third one is down below, write what your favorite season is and why. I'm just curious. So yeah, good luck. This will be open until the following Tuesday, next Tuesday. I do not have the date, but I will write it down below. And if you do, please share. I would like to get a lot of people to try and get this journal. So thank you. You guys have a wonderful day and know that you are so appreciative. I appreciate you. Cannot speak straight today. Bye.